So today I decided to bring you guys along to a restaurant that me and my wife own. We're closed every Monday. What I like to do is pass by here after I finish work. I want to make sure that there's nothing broken. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take a look at all these tables, make sure the chairs are good. So I like to level all these tables so they don't wobble. Also, the sign on the front of the building, the restaurant sign has a burnt light, so I'm gonna have to change that. That's what I'm gonna do first before it gets dark outside. I also brought some spare belts for the ventilation system. In case one of these breaks, it's very important to have several spares on hand. So I set myself up when we got this place so I could work out of here. So I have a bench and I brought some tools. Hiring people every time something breaks is super expensive. So doing stuff yourself saves tons of money. So I'm gonna put our spare belts here. Okay, the first thing I gotta do is get the ladder and go see what bulbs are up there so I could go buy a new bulb. I don't know if I have any bulbs. Nope. This ladder is too short. Oh, I got it. So I found the same light bulbs. I got 4 of them. So I'm gonna have some extras. I'm gonna put the extra lights in my lights drawer. All right, that's good. So I already see problems here. We're missing these guys on a lot of these chairs. It's weird because 2 weeks ago they were all there. We've been busy during the holidays. I don't think I'm getting that out of there. So I hate seeing this under the tables, but there's not much you could do because the floor of this restaurant is not level. So every time you move a table, you gotta re-level the table. This building is over 100 years old, so you can't do much. I re-tapped every single one of these because these were bought secondhand. So I have levelers on every table. Okay, so that's good. So this table is ready to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat this for every single one of these tables, because Monday is the only day I could do this stuff. Okay, so that's better. I made an inventory of what I need to do next. See, I'm missing several of these chair glides, but all the chairs are in good shape. All the tables are in good shape. So these were all seized up when we got these tables. So all I did was retapped all of these. I think this was a 5/16 thread. And because we're in Montreal, the salt and the slush and everything, I put some grease on these threads so to keep them from seizing. Because once they're seized in here, a lot of these I had to drill out. Like this one, see it's how it's off center because I had to drill it out and retap it.
While adjusting my tables, one of the adjusters with the 5/16 thread seemed like it was almost stripped. So here I am making one with a 3/8 thread. That's one size up from 5/16. So I'll have it on hand when I need it.
So this is our kitchen. So this extractor, every 6 months, I have to go and change the belt up on the roof, need it or not. Because if this belt breaks, this extractor goes offline and we have to close the restaurant. Now we do have a service that cleans all the conduits and the extractor. They also are responsible for changing the belt. Unfortunately, last time they came, we couldn't get access to the tenant's balcony in order to go up on the roof. So now I'm stuck changing it. And it's snowing outside. I'll bring you guys along for the ride. So I got my new belt and my tools. You guys are mounted on my neck. It's the best I could do in these conditions. And now I'm locked out. So we're gonna have to go up there and then up on the roof. This thing is locked. I hope I have the right key. All right, so this is the unit. Okay. So I labeled my socket so I didn't have to bring up the whole set, 13 millimeters. It's not getting. You think that stairs is code? I don't think so. All right, now I gotta get back in the restaurant. I'm gonna have to walk around. Okay, so everything's working. Just noticed there's a light bulb that's burnt. It's not a daylight, it's warm. It's better than no light at all. Alright, put that on the list. More light bulbs, but daylight. So my wife that runs the restaurant, I just do the maintenance, says the staff has been using this as extra counter space. So all I know is that they told me this is too long and they want this cut. So I'm gonna cut this side and then flip it and put the cut side over there. So I'm gonna have to cut this outside. I don't wanna make any dust in here. So we're basically using an extra one of these shelves that we got from Costco. I built these stairs, and these stairs also fold up so we could get larger deliveries down here. Now, just deburr it, install it, and that's it for today. All right. Perfect. I think. Well, that's what they told me to do. And that's it for today. So you followed me along for 2 Mondays. So if you like this, I'll make more. But this is what's involved, owning a restaurant and not calling people for the little jobs and the big jobs. Okay, thanks for watching.